For this project, you'll need paper, colored pencils or crayons, a pencil, and some pictures of gestures. Start by folding our paper into 8 equal sections. So you can fold it the hot dog way, the long way, then unfold that. So now it's in half, and then we'll go in half the hamburger way, the other way. And once we do that, we crease, and then we will fold it in half again. After that, open it all up, and you can count to make sure you have 8 different sections. To draw each gesture, we're going to use something called an action line. An action line starts from the head to the foot. And you want to get the action, the line of action that's happening in that gesture. So you can see how I've started at the head and then followed that line through to the back foot for this one. The second step is to mark where the shoulders and waist will be. Next step is to get a line of action for each of the arms. We're not worried about if everything is proportioned right. We're only working on finding how that gesture looks. The next step would be to look at the legs. And we've got one leg from the first line of action. Now we'll add in the second leg, just looking at the line of action of that leg. Once you have the main line of action, the arms and the legs, you can then start using some quick, simple shapes to fill in the rest of your figure. Again, don't get caught up on details or perfection. This is just a practice to start learning how to draw people in different gestures or ways that they move their bodies. We can emphasize certain parts of the gesture. In this case, the emphasis might be on that foot that's sticking out the farthest. That emphasis means the part of the drawing or artwork that draws our eye to it the best. I'm using simple shapes to go through and add in the rest of the figure. Continue on choosing different types of gestures to practice using the strategy of the line of action from the head to the foot first, then shoulders, waist, arms, and legs, and then adding in simple shapes to fill in the rest of the figure. You will have 8 different gestures when you are finished. Finally, when you have your 8 gestures, you'll pick 2 of them to really develop with color and detail to bring emphasis to 2 of your gestures.